You're right. So today, boys, we are going to be painting the calipers on the Evo. I have painted it previously. It looks good from far, but far from good. Only reason I rushed it before, and because the factory red calipers were really faded, and I just wanted to get something on there. But this time I will be painting it properly. So what we will be doing is jacking up the Evo, put on jack stands. I'll be removing the calipers off the car, so we might need to bleed the brakes later as well. So yeah, let's get it started. It's gonna be a fun day. It's a beautiful day outside. I've got the jack stands ready to go, tools, paint. I'll show you what color I'm painting later. So I'm not going to bore you anymore. I'm just going to get the car up on jack stands and take the wheels off, and then I'll update ya soon. Well, that was the mission. One thing I hate doing is putting cars on jack stands. That took roughly about 40 minutes. The car's low, so I had to lift it up. And then the jack I have from Super Cheap does not go that high. So I had to wait something. I need the. Oh jeez. Never mind. Well, some jack stands. I'm gonna take the wheels off. To be honest, I'm pretty close to calling it quits already. But the hardest bit, I think, it's that takes a lot of time. It's done. So the next step would be take the wheels off and then take the calipers off. I'll take you on the journey. Got the brakes. Got the wheels off. Just mark them front left, front left, rear left. My bad. Oh, by the way, I got some OG stickers on the rays. Okay, so the plan of action now is follow me. Alrighty. So I'm gonna put a brake line clamp in there, and then I will remove the brake pads, obviously, and these two clips. Pins, punch them out so then I can take the brake pads out. I'll show you guys anyway how I do it. So once that is out, I'll clamp this, I'll remove this from the caliper, and then we'll get cracking to take this out and get it painted. See what I mean? Good from far, far from good. Yeah, gotta fix this. So now, cut a 19. There's a bolt right there, and then a bolt underneath. I'll crank that, and then I will take this brake line off. And before that, like I said, I'm gonna pinch it there, and I've got a old bucket, painting bucket, and just gotta leave it there with some cloth underneath as well, because brake fluid is not your best friend. Okay, so 219s. I've loosened the top bracket and the bottom bracket. Pads are out. I put a little brake clamp on there, and you gotta use a 14 to obviously take that bolt out that feeds the brake fluid to the calipers. And yeah, like I said, very careful with this because brake fluid, it's very corrosive, so try to keep safe. I'm just gonna do this without recording because I do not want to get fluid on my beautiful floor. So once I take it out, I'll show you guys what I did. Right, you're right. So that is that. Excuse me. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I won't record that side because you've seen me do this side, and then I'll do one of the rears, and then we'll start getting to prep work. Well, both fronts are done. I'm gonna take the rear one. Our principle is the same. 2 pins there. Punch this out. Punch that out. Take this pads out.
A few moments later.
You alright there, buddy? So what we did, we prepped all the Brembos, sanded them down, masked all the bits out, got them hanging on the strings, and yeah, so I'll show you what we are going to be using. So we have 1K edge primer in black, that's the first coat that you do, and then this coarse silver, which is the base. Then goes the candy, and then the 2K clear. So reason for the silver base coat is because the silver is will bring the candy color out, make it a bit more brighter. And this thing, the whole set was from VG Auto Paint and Tools, about 150 bucks. So it's really good for that. And yeah. So the first step will be, I've blown it up. We're gonna wipe it with Prepsol, get all the grease and stuff out, and then do the first base coat. So what are you doing?
You
You ready, Solid? Let's go. So this is the candy. Alrighty.
Shake it.
That's a lot.
You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. I let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly if you'd only believe in me. Don't you be like that? I will love you forever if you'd only believe in me. Yeah. This is never gonna be only good for you and me. Home. It's time to quit while we're ahead. No more tears are gone.
Okay guys, so I have a small confession. While we were painting the calipers, what happened was we encountered a bit of an issue with the paint cracking. So when we applied the undercoat, the primer, the silver base and the candy, everything was going okay. But as soon as the candy started drying, it started to react. So it started cracking in a few spots. So we did try to sand it back and see if it will be better if we reapplied the candy, but it did not work. So at the end we had to strip it all back to bare caliper, and then we did the whole process all over again. And I did not record any of that. Reason being was because I was just annoyed by that. So we did the whole thank you. We did the whole thing all over again, basically, and we did the candy, applied the clear, came out amazing, as you will see soon. And yeah, so the main thing is you gotta do is ensure that you do take it back to bare metal in order to paint it up nicely for the paint to come out. And the reason for that reaction was we're thinking it most likely was due to the acrylic paint that I used previously to paint it that teal color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I wasn't going to post this one up, but I thought I will do it just for you guys. Enjoy. Bye.